Knock, knock, knock. Can I come in?
Yes.
Okay. Wash my hands. Hi, my name is Vanna. What is your name?
John.
Hi, John. Can I take a look at your ID band? Okay. I'm here to weigh you. Is that okay?
Yes.
And I heard you could walk.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And then I noticed that you already have your non-skid shoes. Okay. So we're going to get up and I'm going to assist you to go to the scale. So stand up. Very good. Before you step onto the scale, I'm going to make sure that this is at 0 and then 0 and 0. Right? Okay. And then it's balanced. Okay. Now it's a 0, so we're going to have you step onto the scale and then make sure that he's in the center. He's in the center of that scale. Okay, very good. Okay, and then I'm going to begin to measure you. So I'm going to move the bottom one first, and then we're going to go at 100 with the arrow pointing at 100, and then I'm going to point and then slowly go across, and I'm going to watch this as it's going down. So I'm going to reach 150. It did not go down, so I'm going to return to 0 and then move you to 150. Okay, and then I'm going to slowly bring it over until this thing goes down. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Starting to go down. So let's move it a little bit more. That's too much. Okay, I see it right there. Okay, so you weigh 150 plus 45, right? So that would be 150 plus 45 is 195. I'm gonna assist you. Go ahead and back up. Okay, we're gonna have you lay down or sit down on the bed.